Subscribe to my GK Point and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Answer is Santosh Yadav. Who is the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer is Ani Besant. Who is the first woman chairman of Union Public Service Commission? Answer is Rose Millen Bathew. Who is the first Indian member of the Viceroy's Executive Council? Answer is S.P. Sinha. Who is the first Marshal of the Indian Air Force? Answer is Arjun Singh. Who is the first woman pilot in Indian Air Force? Answer is Pilot Shivangi Singh. Who is the first woman chief minister of an Indian state? Answer is Sucheta Kripalani. Who is the first president of India who died while in office? Answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first education minister of India? Answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer is Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. Who is the first Indian woman Olympic medal winner? Answer is Karnam Maleswari. Who is the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly? Answer is Bijay Lakshmi Pandit. Who is the first Prime Minister of India who didn't face the Parliament? Answer is Charan Singh. Who is the first Field Marshal of India? Answer is General Sam Manekshaw. Who is the first Indian to receive Jnanpith Award? Answer is G. Shankar Kurup. Who is the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics? Answer is C.V. Raman. Who is the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman and C. Rajgopalachari. When did India got first Olympic gold in hockey? Answer is in 1928. Who was the first athlete from independent India to win an individual medal in the Olympic? Answer is K.D. Jadhav in wrestling in the year 1952? Who was the first Indian driver to compete in Formula One? Answer is Naren Karthikeyan. Who is India's first chess grandmaster? Answer is Viswanathan Anand in 1988. Who is first Indian to win 5 World Chess Champion? Answer is Viswanathan Anand. Who is first Chief of Army Staff? Answer is General Maharaja Rajendra Singh Ji. When was first railway started in India? Answer is 16th April 1853. When postal stamp was first introduced in India? Answer is 1st July 1852. Who is first woman airline pilot? Answer is Durba Banerjee. Who is first man to climb Mount Everest without oxygen? Answer is Pudorji. What is first indigenous built submarine of India? Answer is Salki. Who is first woman Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer is V.S. Ramadevi. Who is first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer is Meera Kumar. Who is first Indian woman to win Miss Universe title? Answer is Susmita Sen. Who is the first Bharat Ratna awardee to become the President of India? Answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Who is the first person to be awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who is the first scientist to be awarded Bharat Ratna? Answer is C.V. Raman. Who is the first and only industrialist to be awarded the Bharat Ratna? Answer is J.R.D. Tata. Who is the first woman to be awarded the Bharat Ratna? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Who is the first Indian to receive the Booker Prize? Answer is Arundhati Roy. Who is the first Indian to be awarded the Nissan-e-Pakistan? Answer is Morarji Desai. Who is the first winner of Filmfare Best Actor Award? Answer is Dilip Kumar. Who is the first winner of Filmfare Best Actress Award? Answer is Meena Kumari. What is the first Hindi film to win the National Film Award? Answer is Mirza Ghalib. Who is the first recipient of Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding? Answer is U Thant. In 1965, he got this award. What is the first animal in space? Answer is Laika. It was a dog. Who is the first Indian woman in space? Answer is Kalpana Chawla. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.